Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, March 1st, 2022. So following a week of escalating tension that Russia invasion of Ukraine, the market continues to trade in the high volatility range. Many sanctions against Russia caused some concern for global financial market. The banking system, they try to figure out how to deal with it. So now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see where they are doing right now. So first of all, let's take a look on the SB 500. As you can see, last week on Thursday, after pullback down, the institution jump in and push it back up for until Friday. And then the last 2 days, the market is still choppy inside round. They try to figure out what's the direction they are going to go next. So at this moment on Sunday video, I told you if they pull back down here, we have a strong support here. As long as it still stay about the support here, the market it will find a way to push it back up to retest the downtrend line here. If we're able to clear the downtrend line here, it will be more bull. But at this moment, we still treat this one as a bear rally to the upside. Okay, so we will update and see where they're heading next. So if you look at Nasdaq, the Nasdaq had also push it back, and then they go sideways. Now they try to find a way to put it back up to the upside and retest the downtrend line here. So a lot of momentum is still hang tight here. We are to have a chance to put it back up. Okay, the Dow it also put it back up, and the last 2 days they pull back down. They try to retest this level. They still hang tight here. So as long as they still stay above this box, they are still find a way to looking to push it up. Okay, so the market is still a little bit choppy, so we have to trade very carefully here. And at the Russell 2000, it put it back up. They also go sideways, so we still have a strong resistance at this level here. So let's see the market be able to hang tight and then push it up and retest this level, and then we can see what the market they decide to do next. So right now, I think the market is just watching to see how the situation in Ukraine and Russia to see what happened next. Okay, and then the market will find direction for the next couple of weeks here. Now let's take a look on the crude oil. The crude oil continue to push it back up, but as long as the war is still there, okay, oil will be interrupted until they continue to push it back up. They are right now at 108.39. They still have room there. So as long as they still in the uptrend, and now they're in the final move, they escalate to the upside. But you have to trade very careful, because when it hits here, that will be the resistance there. Okay, and the gold it also take advantage of the shelter. So people try to buy gold. Okay, when things is getting crazy, now they put it back up to resistance, so that they pull back down. So you have to watch out here, because this is a strong resistance in this level here also. If you look at the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin found support at the buy zone on the last week. I told you now they try to find a way up there. So somehow the while over there it will help the Bitcoin, because I think they using Bitcoin to buy the ammunition stuff or something, to sell their bond by using Bitcoin or something. So that's why this one here find a way to push it back up and take advantage of that. So, but the key thing here, when they pull back to the buy zone, and you can see that they continue to push it back up. If they can clear this resistance here, that will be even more bullish for the Bitcoin in the future. Ethereum, it also found support at the buy zone and continue to push back up. So watch out for this level. If we can break out this level, that could be more bull for the Ethereum also. Now let's take a look on the volatility index. You can see here, this one here, it go very crazy here. Okay, last year, 2021, they push it back up, they slam it back down, and then they push it back up a couple of times before they died out and have the market moving back up. So this year, at the year 2022, they push it back up with a stronger magnitude, and then they come back down. Now they come back with a stronger magnitude, but compared to 2021. So you can see that in the January and February, the market it have some problem there. So hopefully they will die down after they finish this area here, and if they be able to come down, they have a market. But if they continue to go up, we still have some trouble in the future here. Okay, but you look at the K, it's very similar. The only thing is this year they are a stronger magnitude compared to last year. Okay, so we'll see how it lay out. But the good thing here on the 10-year Treasury, so they hit to the sell zone, and then they drop down very quickly in the last couple of days here, so they fall apart. So that's a good sign for the inflation. Okay, hopefully they'll be able to find a way to control it. So now they continue to go down here and try to fill up the gap down below here, but they drop very fast today. So let's see. Okay, anything here can help the market have a technology stock to stabilize and move it up. Now, if you look at the excuse me. Now, if you look at the all the major indices to see where they are. So the material still put it back up, they come back down, they try to fill up the gap here, so they are still choppy. But a lot of material stock, like anything related to Russia, okay, copper, right, material mining, still doing extremely well there. Even gold still go up down and it found a way to buy back up. Okay, Freeport, FCX, they also do it very well here, but it's a little bit extended, so you have don't try to chase it, because anything change on the Russia and the Ukraine, they can call it one to come back very quickly too. So be careful. Some good stock like Ranger Gold, they are still doing well. Okay, active, because most of the steel come from Russia, so those stocks they take advantage and then shoot it back up very strong since Sunday. We told you when they break out this level and shoot it straight up. Okay, now let's take a look on the communication sector. This one is still have a trouble here. They put it back up, but now they are going sideways. So let's see they be able to stabilize and make another leg up to the upside. So they come back, fill up the gap until a hang tight there. So they are very oversold. So now most of the things that they will try looking for one good news to come back up. So we have to pay attention for that. So the energy sector, that's really the one that take all advantage of the energy crisis right now. So they yet put it higher every day. But again, they are very extended, so you have to pay attention. You continue to stay in the trend, okay? But if they break down again, then you have to watch out, okay? The financial sector is, they jump back up, and then the more sanction, so the bank has to figure out a way that, how to deal with all kind of sanctions that relate to Russia. So they will come back and forward here. They still don't have a good trend direction yet. So watch out for the support here at this level. Okay, so it seems like they are still in the rand bow right now for the financial sector. And in the energy sector, some stock is still doing extremely well. As you can see that the CVX, right? I will told you they go to the moon. Right, a couple of strong stocks there, and let me see what else I will show you in the LE, XLK. All right, so let me give you a couple of stocks here that we showed you last time. They are doing extremely well. Okay, so PXD, right? PXD. They are still very strong there. OXY, right? Those stocks are just go crazy right now. EOG, right? So they all rumble. ExxonMobil still put it back up, but they are a little bit fall behind compared to the other one. But a lot of small energy stock I told you the week before, they still perform very well, like PBR, PTU, right? VET. So those stocks they keep run up since the war broke out right there. If you are looking for the technology it still double some here. They put it back up, they pull back down. They still hold tight here. Okay, so they should have strong up, but now they go sideways. So we really want them to hold it up here and then find a way to put it back up, and let they can retest this downtrend line here first, and then we will see where they are going next. The industrial sector, same thing. They run up very fast. Now they go sideways, choppy. So they build the time to figure out what's the next move here. If they can clear this area here, they will continue to go up there. The consumer stable, it's also sideways, choppy inside this candle here. So they still have not made the decision where they go, but as long as they can hold on to this level, they still have room to push it. A lot of stuff that we showed you last time is still doing extremely well, right? Like let me see here, like Coca-Cola, they are pretty strong, right? MO is still hang tight to the upside. Procter Gamble, you know, those stocks they are still. This one a little bit weaker compared to the other one, but Costco is a good one. Okay, they are breakout since Sunday, and then but they have some resistance here. They will pull back, retest before they can move higher. The real estate try to hang tight to this level, come back, they fill up the gap, and they are still hang tight sideways. So they're looking forward to push it up to break out this level in order to move to the next up over here. The utility, they shoot it back up, but they close the resistance, so they still have some trouble here. The healthcare, they also get stuck at this downtrend line here, so just give them a couple days before they'll be able to break out and continue to the upside. Okay, so the overall right now, a lot of stock is doing extremely well based on the war between Ukraine and Russia. A lot of stock that you can see, like Lockheed Martin, they doing extremely well, right? And OC, that's another one. Northrop Grumman, they're doing very well, as you can see there. T. So anything related to the defense sector, they are doing very good there for the last couple of weeks here, as you can see. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you today. So to the overall market, it's still hang tight there. They're not going down. They're looking for the way. If they're not coming down, they were looking for the way to build the base here and continue to retest the upper bound here. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and I will update for you on Thursday again to see where the market heading to. So right now the volatility is still extremely high, so if you are a short-term day trader, you have to be extremely careful because the high volatility, so your top loss it will be very wild. So make sure you control your top loss and don't overtrade with a lot of contract. It's dangerous. Okay, so that's all I have for you. So thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care and good luck, everyone.